everyone, welcome to Goria Kids channel. In this video we will learn alphabet A to Z. So let's start the video. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for butterfly.
B for butterfly.
C for cake.
C for cake.
D for drum.
D for drum.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for gun.
G for gun.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for juice.
J for juice.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lemon.
L for lemon.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nose.
N for nose.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for pear.
P for pear.
Q for question mark.
Q for question mark.
R for rose.
R for rose.
S for strawberry.
S for strawberry.
T for t-shirt.
T for t-shirt.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for vegetables.
V for vegetables.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Y for yawn.
Y for yawn.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe Goria Kids channel.